by the head of the state and the government due to their wrong attitude, and incompetence, and nature of the approach towards the national problem. They are trying to create a lawless situation of lawlessness in the country, and that is not in the long-term interest of the country. If there is no law and order in the country, people are not safe. People will not have a place to go to ask for redress, to redress their grievances. They are helpless. They can't get anybody's assistance, and they will be only suppressed, and people will be persecuted throughout. In a situation where there is no law and order, the people will have to live under intimidation, under threat, through fear, and being persecuted throughout. If you want to be safe in this country today, if you want to be a man who has freedom, you have to only be a government supporter. You have to only talk good about the head of the state, or you have to go behind the ministers. Otherwise, you will be treated like a criminal. But that's the situation. You can take us as example. What about the two MPs 2 weeks ago? They were just going to talk about their rights. They have the freedom of speech to meet the people, to represent the people, go before people, and when they go to the police station to make a complaint, they will be assaulted and put in the jail. Now they have to go and prove in the court that they are innocent people. So that is the situation. It can happen to them today, and that will happen to you tomorrow. And I'm sure you all agree with me. You all are keeping quiet. You all can't write what you want to write. If you write, you will either lose your job or your house will be attacked. So media is neutral. Media is frightened. Freedom is not there. For anyone to go and ask for any interest, law and order situation is not there. So that's a total dictatorship that is going on in the country. It should not happen in a country where there is democracy and freedom of the people. Then coming on to the situation what I am going through, this was a part of the same problem. There were court martials against me since I was abducted 6 months before, and tarnishing that action itself tarnished the image of the army, tarnished the image of the country. But this type of thing does not happen in anywhere else in the world. I saw in a paper article one Indian journalist had asked Mr. Robert Blake about 2-3 weeks ago. The journalist had asked what is the situation in Sri Lanka. Because in India and USA, the people are not court-martialed after they lose the election. People are not put in the jail after they lose the election. So that shows that